Welcome to Gayam Motorworks. In this video, we will show you how to operate the Limitless bike. These electric bikes will help you reach your destination faster with less effort. The bikes run on a battery. To charge the battery, plug in the charger into a power socket, open the flap on the battery and insert the cord. The light on the charger will switch from green to red when the battery is being charged. When this light turns green again, it means the battery is fully charged. Take out the cord, close the flap and get going. Insert the battery on the panel placed on the down tube in between the tires. Then, turn the key to lock the battery in its place. Once you download the app, create an account using your name and phone number. After giving the necessary permissions to the application, sync your phone with the battery by clicking on the relevant battery number on your phone. You can then place your phone in the holder on the handlebar. To switch on the SIREN, click on the bell icon on the app. Long press the red power button to switch on the electric mode and use the up and down arrows to control the pedal assist. Long press the red power button to switch off the electric mode. To ensure safety of the bike, remember to lock the battery by clicking on the lock icon on the app. You can charge the speaker with a cord and control the volume using the plus and minus signs. You can also charge your mobile phone using the same cable. Ride faster by using the throttle on the right handle. Place your hand on it and accelerate just like a bike. The headlight on the handlebar has 3 light modes: light, flashing light, and police siren lights. It also has a flashing tail light with a switch at the back. Before you start riding, here's a list of things to remember. Do not leave the battery pack in direct sunlight for more than 30 minutes. Although the battery is waterproof and can tolerate mild rainfall, do not use the bicycle under heavy rainfall and don't immerse the battery pack in water. Ideal riding conditions for the Spirit is at level 3 pedal assist, and for torque, it's at level 2 pedal assist. For maximum range, please use the e-bike in pedal assist mode with minimum use of throttle. Limitless bikes are easy to ride and come with the convenience of a motorbike. Happy riding!